So here in Krita, we're going to have a look at how we can cut out a shape and give it an image mask, which means we can cut out and adjust that cutout non-destructively. So we're going to create a new image here, and we're going to create a square image of 1920 by 1920. So perfect for Instagram. So now we're going to open up our image that we're going to cut out. So we'll go to File, Open, and we're going to open up this portrait of myself. So in here, what we want to do is essentially move this image into the other image. So we're going to go to Select and Select All, go to Edit and Copy, and then we'll come to our new image and we're going to go to Edit and Paste. I can use the Move Layer tool on the left to move my image around. I can also use the Transform Layer tool to resize my image. So now I want to come to my selection tool. We're going to come across, we're going to use the polygon selection tool, and we can quickly move around and select our image here. I'm not too worried in this instance about getting this perfect. This is really just about exploring the fundamentals of cutting out the image. So we're going to come around, we're really looking for that nice clean cut out of the face. And then for the hair, we're not going to cover how to cut out hair perfectly in this example. We're just going to give a kind of nice neat trim, but we'll mostly just move around quickly, getting a rough cutout of the hair here. So we'll keep moving around, and then when we get back to the beginning and that first shape, you can see it's going to create a circle around that first shape, and then when I click that, it's going to close it off. So I'm going to go to View and Zoom, Rotate and Mirror, and we'll go to Fit to View Height, and I'm going to right click here and go to Add and Add Transparency Mask. And what you'll see below my image here is this little black and white image. If we come to the little drop down menu here, we can increase the thumbnail size, and you can see basically it's a selection where the black will hide the image and the white will reveal the image in the background. But that is how to basically cut out an image with a transparency mask